When your roof has been affected by a storm or you see any damages to it, we help you with the insurance claim. We call that the Insurance Blitz.
Blue 42. Blue 42. I don't know what to do. Hike!
Alright, maybe we won't attack them that hard, but we will help with your insurance claim. If you see any damages to your roof and it's been affected by a storm, you may be eligible for a free roof fully paid for by the insurance company. Make sure you click the link below, check out our website, take advantage of the Insurance Blitz.
Doing water roll. Got it.
Ooh.
Hit 'em, beat 'em, put 'em in the grass. Insurance companies kick their
Ask us about our free roof and inspection at the number below. Talk to you soon.
Viking Contractors LLC. For more information, visit our website, VikingContractorsLLC.com, or just give us a call at 612-567-5522. We can't wait to hear from you at Viking Contractors LLC.